Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain and Siser Juliet Beginners to Pro. This is probably going to be one of the shortest videos I have ever made, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to make text really easy to cut out in one piece in Shortcut Slot. Now this is version 6 that I'm using. So you might want to check if you have an older version to see if it does exactly the same thing. So I have a piece of text here, it just says beautiful, but as you can see, if I were to cut this out, we have overlapping letters, and if I cut them out as they are, I'm going to be left with lots of little bits of confetti, basically, nothing very useful. So what I'm going to do is select this, and I'm going to ungroup it. Then I want to add the B to the E there. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to use my keyboard arrow to make it overlap the E. And then I'm just going to take the whole thing and right click again, go to path and union. And there we have it, job done. I did tell you this video was going to be quick. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. Take care now.